Beautiful souls, welcome to my YouTube channel Mad Vibes. Today I am talking about something little different, a glow up. But not just from outer one, I am talking about that one inside out glow up. The one that starts from your mindset, your habits and your energy. Because honestly, when we are talking about vibe, when vibe is right, everything else start falling into a place. So grab your coffee, your planner, and let's start with this little self-care reset together. And don't worry, this is not a typical med school lecture. This one's ends all about your energy, your confidence, your glow up era. So, I have got this last 2 month glow up planner for you guys to wrap up 2025 on a high note and walk into 2026 with a gratitude, confidence, and a man character energy. So, in this video, we are talking about not just the skincare, not just about the workouts, I'm talking about the total mindset and the energy shift. So, I make it little super easy for you. I have got something special for you, the last 2 months glow up planner by Aditi. So let's grab into the planner. Into the planner. So this is the last 2 month glow up planner by Aditi, and this is designed to help you finish 2025 in a strong and a refreshed manner with a more confidence, and use these pages for a daily track to habits and care for your body, mind, and manifest the best version of yourself. So you walked into 2026 with lot of gratitude, confidence, and that man character energy. And there is a quote also that every sunrise is a fresh start for your glow up. And then we go to the planner that starts with the welcoming message, hey beautiful souls, and this is a 60 days for your time to rise and shine. Like seriously, how motivating is that? And it's your time to reminder that glow differently when you believe in yourself. And then comes my favorite part, that is the affirmations. And these are not just random words, they are the mindset of magic. And say it with me, I am glowing from within, I attract good energy, I am the magnet for golden opportunities. And repeat this every morning and watch how your energy shifts, and you becoming the best version of yourself. Then comes the vision board and goal settings. Then paste your or draw your dreams life here. And the vision board and the goal page, you can see, you can paste here. And I say that the secret for growth is simple, the progress, not the perfection. Even 1% better every day adds up. And then comes the 2025 goals, and write your 2026 goals as if you are already achieved them in the present tense. There is a career goal, health goals, mindset goals, and financial goals. And there is a gratitude log. The planner is set in a way that you have to write the gratitude each and every day, that what you are grateful about. So there are 30 points of the November, and there are December ke there are 31 points. And then there is a weekly planner. Each week you have to write your focus, your top 3 priorities, and your self-care goals. So I love this part because it keeps you grounded, balancing the hustle with the self-care and self-love. So this part is the important part of the planner. So there is week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4 for the November. And week 5, week 6, and week 7, week 8 for the December. And I believe that when you believe in yourself, you truly glow differently. And there is a morning routine. In morning routine, you what you want, your journaling, skincare, stretching. So create a morning flow that sets your tone of the day. And there is also a night routine, so create a night routine like skincare, what you want. And I am giving an example, like if there is a routine for night, that before going to sleep you wash your face, and there is a night routine, a skincare routine you want to do, so right here. And there is also a workout routine. And workout routine, create what you want. You want to do something gym freak. If you are gym freak, you want to do some particular exercise, or just a meditate, or there is a lot of workout you want to do. So if you want, you can write here. And then there is a skincare routine for AM routine and PM routine. So this is the so concisely this planner is made for you. And then there is a healthy habits, so like eating fruits, reading, move, and traveling, what you want. Walk, like a morning walk, or after eating you have to if you want to go for a night walk, meditate. These are the healthy habits, so you can write here. Then then there is a 30-day calendar. Track your glow up progress for the November month. There is a for November month, this is for. So you have to write 12 protocols, and you have to tick every day if you follow that protocol or not. So this is the best tracker. And there is also a sleep tracker. And then there is the 31-day calendar for December month. And you have to write the protocols and take for every day if you follow or not. And there is a sleep tracker. Then then comes my best part, that is the mood tracker. So there is a color code your mood for every day. And my favorite tool, the mood tracker, the color code how you feel each day. You literally see your emotional growth. And finally there is come journaling, that whatever you write, you feel, you learned, what you achieved, and even a message to your future self. So this is the best page. And then comes the positive reminders, that your future self is proud of you. And at the end of the year, what reflection, what did you learn, and what you want to achieve in 2026. So this is best. And not for 2026 also, this page is also present, that not for 2026. And this is designed by Aditi Gupta, and I thank her for giving me the opportunity to explain my viewers about the planner. And thank you for watching this video. And this planner is not just about writing goals, it is about feeling aligned, peaceful, and proud of how far you have come. And remember, your glow up doesn't start with the product or a perfect plan. It starts with when you decide to show up for yourself every single day. So let's make this last 60 days count with a positivity, gratitude, and self-love. And if you are joining me on this glow up journal, drop a emoji of flower with in a comment section, and let's do this together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-growth and midlife vibes. And if you want this planner, I will link it up in our description box. So thank you, have a nice day ahead.